And people, what's up now on a day? Yeah, we wanna show Muna gather more align this matter. I don't bring another matter when I wanna align today. And the matter now this Club World Cup made it go on so for America. But of the truth, I want to ask one question. That tournament is necessary? Important at all? Because normally now, the African Nations Cup supposed to go on. And based on the Club World Cup, then made the shifter. But that one will be the issue now. The issue when I want to raise now, I say, by August now, most of all this top league now, their season go start. Some club don't even start the season. But some players, see they made the play ball since August, they come, they never take break. August last year. Now, like Real Madrid did the tournament, Chelsea did the tournament, PSG did. All those players, so their league will start for August. The final na this Sunday, so okay, after the whole final, whatever thing they can do, which time all those players will take get, may they take the holiday, rest, can start new season. I be after the tournament, or you enter new season, you enter pre-season, start new season. Because I don't understand who they take care of these players. As in, when they fix all this tournament, they only reason the affairs of the players, they only reason the players' health. See Musiala now for Bayern Munich, see the kind of nonsense injury when go get. Now very bad injury when the guy go get. Young player like that. So all those things are the reason. All this tournament now really necessary. Because I don't they think they say because all those players and they overwork them. And the bad thing I say the condition they're no good now. USD hot. If they say now for I don't watch the game now go say. But from another angle, I see can't look at from another angle. All these players, they demand big wage. Very, very big wage. Now all these tournaments, many clubs they perform for, they show face for. Now all these tournaments, they go bring that money to pay all those wages. You see how the matter take be. So the thing are two-edged sword. So one need to give way for another. One can't give way now. The players must always demand for big wages. Their agents must always demand for big wages when they want to sign whatever they want to sign, their contract, when they go to new club. Their agents must demand for big money. As club too, you go see one make your own money. So who go come give way for each other? For the two. Everybody want to make money. So as it stand now, who go come give way? The club won't make money. The player itself wants big money. So here they take one side that they feel say the game is too much for all these players. Another side that can reason and say the players they demand for high wage. So where the club will take generate the money to pay this high wage? So my people, after I'm gonna enter comment section, make we talk about this matter, make we reason now. The thing makes sense, the game is too much for the players, I be na fair something. Because I don't want to understand. Yeah, gonna enter comment more yarn. And people not forget to see like, to see comment, to see share. And that bell for up, not forget to touch that bell, my people. Una do.